Setting sun approaching for its turn to red.
Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start sound of I. Do page number 91 and 92. So let's start. Read and write. Read and circle the odd one. Odd one होता है जो different होता है, अलग होता है. First of all, read. Read करेंगे. S, eat, sit. What is the sound of I? E. S, eat, sit. B, eat, bit. F, eat, fit. K, ought, card. Which one is different? कौन सा अलग है? Sit, bit, fit, card. This one. So we will circle on card. Card, card. Next, R, E, P, rip. D, E, P, dip. H, A, B, hub. S, E, P, sip. Rip, dip, hub, sip. Rip, dip, sip. This one is odd one. Circle. So we will circle on hub. S, E, N, sin. B, A, N, bun. B, E, N, bin. P, E, N, pin. Sin, bun, pin, bin, pin. Okay, one. This one is odd one. Next, t, a, double t. इसको बोलेंगे डबल. डबल होता है, दो बार आता है. टैट, मिल. म, ई, डबल ल, मिल. म, ई, डबल ल, मिल. फ, ई, डबल ल, फिल. ब, ई, डबल ल, बिल. मिल, फिल, बिल, टैट. This one is odd one. Next, b, e, b, bib. N, e, b, nib. R, e, d, rid. R, ed, red. Which one is different? Bib, nib, rib, red. This one is odd one. So students, complete 92 page. Read and circle the odd one. Complete it. Next, fill in the blanks with I and read loud. Okay. इसमें I sound fill करेंगे and then इसको read करेंगे हम. S, dash, न. We will fill I. S, in, sin. Write down E. Sin. K, I, D, kid. Ma, I, D, mid. B, E, D, bid. H, E, P, hip. Next, P, eat, fit. So students, complete it. Blanks 91 and 92. Thank you for watching this video.